I want to talk to you about two homes on the water here in the Clearwater Beach area. First off, this is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call, 727-303-1521, or shoot me a DM at TD Selling St. Pete. The first home on the market is in Reddington Shores, just south of Clearwater Beach. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3,016 square foot mansion. You got 3 stories. On the ground level, you have a tandem 2-car garage available. So you have 4 cars you can able to park, as well as space for golf carts and room in the obviously in the driveway for more cars. You have an open floor plan on the ground level and massive areas of natural light on the second level. And you're on the bay with views of the beach. Reddington Beach is one of the nice quiet beaches on Gulf Boulevard here in Pinellas County. So you have access to one of the most beautiful beaches in America, and you're on the intercoastal, so you can just get on your boat and get into the Gulf of Mexico very easily. The rooms are large. The kitchen is nice and spacious. You have a U-shaped island, so you can serve and gather guests with guests. It's a wonderful opportunity in this place, and it's been listed with Mackenzie Metz of Mav Realty for $1,690,000. It's a wonderful property, as you can see from the pictures. Beautiful access to the gate to the bay, and you're literally walking distance from one of the nicest quiet beaches here in Pinellas County. Next, we have in Clearwater, in Clearwater Beach, we have a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2 baths, 2,550 square foot home listed with Carrie Ellison of Coastal Properties Group International. And this home, newly renovated, you have granite countertops in the kitchen, and you have the island setting for you have a waterfall setting for the island, so it's great for gathering. You're on the water. You have over 80 feet of canal waterfront, so you have room for your boat, your jet skis, your kayaks, etc., to get on the water and to get into the Gulf of Mexico. You have wonderful open lighting, open air ceilings that are vaulted. It's an amazing opportunity to live here in America's favorite beaches communities, and it's been listed for $1,900,000. And as you can see from the pictures, you have a nice spa-like bathrooms for the primary bathroom, and great gathering patios outside overlooking the bay. These are wonderful properties, and if they're of interest to you, or you're looking for some other things on the water, either beachfront or canal front or even lakefront, give me a call at 727-303-1521, or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. It's on my Instagram and TikTok. Talk to you later.